Hello friends, welcome to Cheryl's Top Sitavi Recipes. I hope you all are well, fit and fine. Today I am going to make a recipe that is, you can see white pumpkin here. I have taken white pumpkin, cut up into pieces. It's washed also, and some chana. You can see this. So I am going to make white pumpkin and chana together. So the masalas which I am going to use is, this is black pepper, garlic pods, ginger, red chili, dry red chili. This is dhania. I roasted the dhania, and the jeera. I have roasted it little bit so the taste will be different. So come on, let us start the recipe. I hope you all will like it. If you are new to my channel, if you like my recipes, please comment, share, subscribe. All these masalas, I'm going to grind it first and then use it for the curry. Friends, put some mustard oil. I've taken some khara masala, garam masala. This I will put in. I've taken some bay leaves. You can see this also I will put. I have sliced up one onion. This also I will put. I will let the onions turn brown a bit. The onions are almost turned brown. Now I will put in the masala. I will not use chili powder because I have already put in the dry chilies. If you all want to put red chili powder, you all can put. Put some turmeric powder. Let the masalas fry. The masalas turn brown. Now put in the chana. Put in the pumpkin also, the white pumpkin. Put some salt to taste. Mix it well. I will not use water now. This will cook in its own water because the pumpkin is going to leave lot of water. So I will cover it up now. Let it cook now till the water dries up. Friends, you can see the water coming out from the pumpkin. I did not use water. This is cooking in its own water. The chana also is cooked up. You can see it's cooked up. I will let this dry. Friends, this chana and pumpkin curry is ready. You can see it. You can have it with hot rice, chapatis, parathas. Thanks for watching my video.